we are going to grade this footage into this one. Isn't that amazing? We will make whole scene dark, keeping yellow glow over the man and his surroundings. Well, that's not my idea. I have found an artist's reel who has done this great job. No matter on which software he or she has created it, let's talk how we create it. So, we will have to work on this layer and I'm going to delete all others instead of creating a new project. Just apply plugin on it, go to full interface, and using RGB controls, let's bring down pedestal for each color. Add little bit of light by using gain, and do not make it too much bright initially because I want darker scene. So we will have to work on light step by step to have better control over it. Since our scene has mostly midtones and shadows in it, so we will start working on midtones first. And I want to push whole scene towards cyan tone. So you know what to do. Just pull down reds from the shot. And we will also take it off from highlights and shadows as well. Alright, now to make cyan stronger, we need to increase both green and blue channels. So why don't you work on CMY tab, which stands for cyan, magenta, and yellow. The advantage of this is that when you change any parameter of cyan color, both green and blue channels will get changed together. You need not to work on greens and blues individually. It will alter them together. So let's go in midtones and